Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're talking about the Rigol DS1104Z-S Plus, a 100 MHz, 4-channel digital storage oscilloscope that also packs in a built-in dual-channel 25 MHz arbitrary waveform generator. And honestly, if you're in electronics, R&D, education, or just serious about your hobby lab, you probably already heard the buzz around this thing. So let's get into it. Is this oscilloscope actually worth your money? And what do all these numbers really mean in the real world? Let's start with the core specs. The DS1104Z-S Plus features a real-time sample rate of up to 1 GSA/S and a bandwidth of 100 MHz. So what does that mean for you? The 100 MHz bandwidth means you can accurately capture and measure signals up to 100 million cycles per second. That covers the vast majority of microcontrollers, sensors, power circuits, audio electronics, and digital communication lines you'll encounter day to day. And that 1 GSA/S sampling rate, that gives it a calculated rise time of just 3.5 nanoseconds, meaning it can snap incredibly fast transitions without missing a beat. Now here's where it gets really impressive for the price point. The memory depth goes up to 24 million points, and the waveform capture rate hits up to 30,000 waveforms per second. Think about what that means practically. You're not just seeing a static waveform. You're watching 30,000 frames every single second, which makes it dramatically easier to catch glitches, noise spikes, and those frustrating one-off anomalies that would otherwise slip right past you. It also supports up to 60,000 frames of hardware real-time waveform recording and playback, so you can go back and analyze exactly what happened. And that display, the particularly large 7-inch TFT color display, is very easy to read, with signal curves, FFT display, and other functions all visible simultaneously. The resolution is 800 by 480 pixels, crisp, bright, and large enough that you're not squinting to read your measurements. Why is this oscilloscope such a popular choice? A huge part of it comes down to what Rigol calls ultravision technology, which delivers a low noise floor and a vertical scale range from 1 MV per division all the way up to 10 V per division. That kind of dynamic range means you can look at tiny millivolt signals from a sensor and then switch over to a 10 V power rail without needing a different tool. And that S in the name, that stands for signal source, meaning this model has a built-in 2-channel arbitrary waveform generator with 25 MHz bandwidth right out of the box. Normally, you'd have to buy a separate function generator for that. Here it's integrated. That alone saves you hundreds of dollars versus buying the equipment separately. Now let's talk about the Plus part and why it matters for future-proofing. The Plus models are MSO ready and can be upgraded to 16 digital channels by adding the optional RPL 1116 digital lead kit. So you're essentially buying an oscilloscope today that can become a full mixed signal oscilloscope with both analog and digital channel analysis. Whenever you need IT also supports serial bus decoding for RS-232/UART, I2C, and SPI protocols, which is a massive plus if you're debugging microcontrollers or embedded systems. And connectivity? You get USB host and device ports, LAN with LXI support, and an AUX interface, so you can control it remotely, log data to a PC, or integrate it into automated test benches. The quality of Rigol oscilloscopes is considered comparable to brands like Agilent and Tektronix, but at a fraction of the price that in the box. You get the oscilloscope itself, for passive probes rated at 150 MHz, a USB cable, power leads, a quick start guide, and software on CD. Pricing sits in a range of approximately $499 to $699 depending on the retailer, which for this feature set is genuinely exceptional value. So is the Rigol DS1104Z S Plus worth buying? If you need a capable bench oscilloscope with a built-in waveform generator, deep memory, fast capture rates, serial decoding, and room to grow into mixed signal territory, the answer is a clear yes. This is one of those tools that punches way above its price class, and that's exactly why it's become a go-to choice for engineers, educators, and hobbyists worldwide. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.